Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a simple and easy lunch, dinner, or baon recipe, pork steak. Here are the ingredients: 300 grams pork chop, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oil, 4 pieces calamansi, 1 big onion, half a teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon sugar. First, marinate the pork chop. Add the soy sauce, calamansi, onion, pepper, and sugar. Give it a mix to let the ingredients blend well with each other. Then marinate for about 30 minutes. Once the pork is ready, heat oil in the pan, and once the oil is hot enough, place the pork and cook for 4 to 5 minutes each side. Then remove the pork from the pan and saute the onion coming from the marinade we have done a while ago. Give it a mix until it becomes aromatic. Put back the pork and pour in the marinade and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a taste if it needs some adjustments. In my case, the salty, sweet, and sour taste is perfect. Here's our pork steak recipe. This savory dish is best partnered with rice and a quick and easy baon recipe. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!